Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BYND. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to use these time frames. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Now, I did do this analysis on Friday, and I have no shame in saying I got it totally wrong. This thing has just been, it was already an absolute beast on Friday, and that was one nasty, nasty candle right there that formed. But yeah, chart didn't care, just kept on going. So it is what it is. But the good thing was that kind of the nice way about it was it just gapped up, which was pretty much telling you, yeah, we don't care about that candle that formed. Whereas had the price started down here and then skyrocketed up, that would have been a much more cruel situation. So from the perspective of at least the bulls gave a warning that, yeah, that candle really wasn't going to matter much with the big gap up. So that was good. It wasn't nearly as nasty of a situation as it could have been with the bulls kind of showing their, revealing their cards before the market even opened. But nonetheless, definitely a lot of eyeballs still on this one, so updates need to be done. First, going to do is just use these lines up here. Now, yeah, those levels down there still pertain, but from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So we'll just try to keep this as clean as possible. First, and kind of key level of support now as far as, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would definitely be if the price can stay up there above, 165. Now, if the price falls below 165, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above there, that would definitely be an impressive sign of strength. Next level of support after that would just be down here during this location right around the $150 mark. So again, 165, 150, and then from more so the bigger picture and overarching point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the 50 period simple moving average. Yeah, right now valued at 127, but keyword being moving. So as Tuesday and the remainder of the week play out, that line will move itself higher and higher. So from a trading perspective, you'll just have to be more proactive as a trader and kind of keep an eye on what the current value of that level is as it works its way upwards. But as of right now, kind of irrelevant given the price is doing a good job of holding above 165, and then you still have 150. But if 150 is broken, then yeah, keep an eye on whatever the value of the 50 period moving average is at that point in time. What about levels of resistance? In the very near term, that initial level going to be right there at basically the top portion of that channel, which is right there at 175. If the price can push through 175, the next key level after that going to be right up there where the party essentially stopped at the 185 mark. So all in all, though, absolute monster. The beast move continues. So we'll see how this one continues to play out, but the week is young, still 4 days left. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.